Okay, you come home after a long day's work and you realize that you're the victim of poop streak. Have you ever taken off your tighty-whities and noticed something that looks like a brownie in the fold? I know it's kind of gross. Now imagine your poor wives as they have to clean this. And men, you're not immune. Sometimes wives can be pretty gross too. Let me tell you how this happens a lot of times. You wake up in the morning and you're getting ready to take your shower and you're taking a crap. And so you haphazardly wipe your ass, so to speak, and then you get in the shower because you figure, well, I'm going to clean myself, I'll be fine. Well, let me tell you what happens. Believe it or not, through all the years of your life, you've been training your butt. Your butt thinks it's done when it actually gets wiped with toilet paper. Before you get in the shower after taking a crap, make sure that you take an extra wipe or two. Or as I tell my kids, wipe, wipe. When you think you're clean, do another wipe or two, and then get in the shower. What'll happen is your body will initially get clean after the shower, but then you'll slowly throughout the day start to feel a tickle or an itch in your butthole area. Don't scratch it. If this happens, go into the bathroom, sit down like you're going, because no one else has to know your business, and wipe. Look at the toilet paper if you want to. It'll look like this. So like I said, your butthole has already been trained. Don't get in the shower until you wipe your butt, and you'll notice the poop streaks are gone. Have a good one.